How to deposit checks in Ally Bank mobile app. Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll walk you through how to deposit check using the Ally Bank mobile app. Firstly, open the Ally mobile app and log into your account. From the main menu, tap the deposit or the menu icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now scroll down until you find the deposit a check icon from the menu. So go to deposit, and under checks you have deposit checks. Just tap on it. Now, once you have done that, all you have to do is click a clear picture of the front as well as the back of the image as needed. And be sure to sign the back and write for mobile deposits at Ally Bank only so that it's accepted. After that, double check the details and hit the submit button. You'll get a confirmation message. Your money is usually available within a couple of business days. Some funds may appear it may appear sooner. And finally, you can hang on to the paper check for a few days until the deposit is fully clear. So that's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll see you on the next one.